about my sticker sale. It was a complete flop. I got one order. One order for my sticker sale. You know what? Just gotta move on, and I'm like not feeling super awful about it because it is what it is. I can't control it, but I will say that my outreach on social media has been awful. It has not been great. I'm not getting as many views. So, hello Zola. Oh my gosh. All right, you gotta go. Anyway, it wasn't great, but at my social media, my outreach for views, for people to see my work has been nowhere near like it was. So I feel like Facebook, Instagram, Meta is really pushing for you to do ads. And I just do not have the funds to be doing ads. So I'm not doing them. And I'm not going to. So I guess that's gonna be on me. I don't know. I've been thinking about other things that I could be doing with my art. Making notepads, which I actually just finished my second one. I am making these completely by hand. And so far, so good. It's looking actually really well. So I'll be offering these in my Etsy shop once I get a few, but they're not going to be a whole lot of them because obviously I'm making them completely by hand, and that means like I'm designing them completely, and I don't know, we'll see. So that's what I plan on doing with these guys. I gotta put a few more layers of glue on them, and I have been messing around in Cricut. I actually made my first magnet bookmark, but it's my trial run because the magnets that I got are, when they came in, some of the magnets that were on the sticker paper were off of it. So I actually am having to return those because I don't want that. I want to be able to peel it myself versus it being on sticker paper, then the product just being off. So not gonna work. But I did do three samples, which I'll show you here. Let me go grab them. Okay, so my kiddos are actually going to be my test subject because I feel like who is harder on products than kids? So I've got my daughter's dragon book that she has here. It is a magnet bookmark. So what I did actually turned out really, really nice. I am actually super happy how it turned out. The only thing that I'm not happy with are these magnets, which look fine, but I don't know how well they will hold up. So we'll see. Another thing is that the quality of the print is not the best. So I'm not super happy with that, but I got to figure out how to fix that in Cricut, the print quality, because I've been able to make better prints than this, but all it is just like this. And then boop. And then it holds your place in your book. So here, let me find an actual page here. So here it is. So all it does is you just clip it on and it holds your place in your book. See, it doesn't fall out. So pretty cool. And I thought I'd let the girls be my trial run to see how it holds up, because like I said, kids are like the worst when it comes to things. Like they're normally probably my best test subjects when it comes to any kind of products that I have, because they're rough on things. We'll see how it goes. But today I spent a lot of time making logo stickers for my product, which this actually took some testing for me to actually get these all figured out. So why do I have this stuff? All right, I already did 1-inch things. So what I'm planning on doing with my little notepads is for packaging. I've got these little plastic things, and I plan on putting like the description and my business information and then one of my logo stickers on the back and shipping it like this. So I don't know, I gotta think about stuff like that, because if people buy this stuff, or if I decide to do wholesale, I need to be able to do this. And then this is a trial run, and you saw me cutting everything by hand. I don't know if I'm gonna continue to do that, but we will see. So this is just one design. I'm gonna work on more, and I'm planning on doing like maybe 4 different designs for this size notepad. And then I might do one that's a square shape. They're not gonna be sticky like a Post-it or anything. They're just literally notepads for you to jot something down and put it somewhere, or make a to-do list, or whatever you wanna do. I don't know. Listen guys, things are not selling, so I need to start adapting. So adapting to do other things, and then hopefully that will, having more of an inventory will help. Maybe. I don't know. Next, I think I'm going to import one of my designs and see about doing a stickers. Die cut stickers with my Cricut, but I'm really concerned about the quality of the stickers, me doing it myself. I could do these logo stickers all day long because it really doesn't matter because it's just my logo. I don't know. We'll see. I will see I'm just gonna experiment and see what I can do, and I will share that process with you. I think I'm gonna do one more of, what is this, 1.5 inch logo sticker. This one is 2 inches, and then I have a 1 inch one also. I don't have a whole lot of time today because I spent a little bit with my, I met up with a friend. It is 11:30 and I need to start working on actual business stuff. I need to cut more things. I'm gonna do another design or print off another design for notepads. I don't know. I need to make a list of things that I want to try and make, and we'll just see how that goes, and I will show you guys in later. Hello. Wow, you guys haven't seen me with my hair down. Not super exciting, but all right. So I was working on next Monday's studio vlog, and I'm watching it and I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I'm so depressed. I'm so depressed. And this is, I feel like, the second week, or really this will be the third week, about me talking about the failure that was my sticker sale. And I mean, I'm still kind of upset about it, but then on the other hand, I'm like, there's nothing I can do about it. All I can do is just move forward and figure out a new way of doing things. And so my next plan is to make a whole bunch of things by hand. And I still need to figure out just other ways to get revenue into my business. And then I also wanted to talk about like the algorithm. I think the thing that frustrates me the most is the algorithm, is that my content is not being shared as much as it used to. And so it's pretty frustrating. Like, I'm not expecting to make any kind of money on any social media, it be YouTube, it be Instagram, it be Facebook, whatever, TikTok. That's not what's going to happen. It's just me getting my brand out there to share to my Etsy shop. And you know, I've been struggling to make money for my business for a while, but I also listened to a wonderful podcast, which was actually geared towards like kids and screen time and things like that, and like how everybody wants to be an influencer and all that stuff, and how hard it is. It is so hard. Not like, I don't want to be an influencer. I just want to make my stuff, and if people buy it, that makes me so super excited. And if eventually I can actually make some kind of income off of it, even better. I have no real expectations of actually making any kind of funds from my social media. I mean, I was for a while, because there was a program where it was like a creator program, and I was getting paid for my reels, but that's not what's going on anymore. And 2024 is looking pretty sad, and I don't know. Anyway, I was talking about screen time and like how people are wanting or trying to make it a full-time deal. And I'm not doing this full time. And I hate that I feel like I'm always feeding the social media beast. And I hate that. But I also know that people aren't going to know who I am and what I do and what my business is unless I'm feeding the social media beast. Once again, that I absolutely hate. I hate it. But there's nothing I can do about it, and I just have to keep doing it. And I don't know, if you guys are also struggling with this right now, are your views down on social media, like on Facebook and Instagram or even TikTok? Let's be real, I don't have a giant following on my social media. I think the one that I have the largest amount of following is on Facebook. I've got 44,000 people following me on Facebook. And then the rest, it's like been 5,000. It's been constantly 5,000 on Instagram. It's pathetic. And then don't even get me started on TikTok. TikTok's pathetic too. But I keep doing it, and I'm like, everybody's like, you gotta be consistent, you gotta be consistent. And I'm like, okay, well, I've been doing that for a while, and I'm not getting squat. And if anything, this Etsy sale just proved that to me, and it's pathetic. Absolutely pathetic. I'm not gonna let it get me down, because I still really enjoy doing all that stuff. It's just that I'm down on myself because I'm thinking, maybe I'm not that good. Maybe that's why my stuff is not selling. Maybe it's pathetic. But I don't know. I'm just gonna keep doing it, and it's not like I don't enjoy doing what I do. I enjoy making content. I enjoy doing these YouTube videos, even though there are times where I'm like super overwhelmed because I'm still working full time and having to do my full-time job and taking care of my kids, soccer practice, doing normal mom things. I'm sorry, guys. I feel like it's just too fresh still, and I'm still kind of coming down from it. Still trying to figure out my stickers and making them myself. I just got some new ink because I felt like a lot of my prints that I was making, my sticker prints, which I actually have one. I printed one off and put it on my water bottle, like one of my mini ones. If you follow my Instagram, you would see that I made a die cut sticker and then a mini sticker. A mini one. I'm still trying to figure it out. But I don't know if you can see it. It's this guy right here. So it's not as vibrant as like the picture is. So I'm still I got some more ink, so I'm hoping that will help with the problem, but I do not know. I don't know. All right, guys. Well, I will check in with you guys later. It is almost time for me to get my kids. So, talk to you later. On a happier note, I've been meaning to show you guys my banner that's out at the soccer fields. I am so excited about this. This is like a huge highlight of my week, so I definitely had to share this with you. I am just loving how these magnet bookmarks are turning out, and I appreciate every single one of you for hanging out, and I will see you guys all next time.